See, first I will tell you, first I will explain the basic. See, Laplace of yt is nothing but, let's suppose this is y bar. Laplace of y dash t, this is sy bar minus y0. Laplace of y double dash s square y bar minus sy0 minus y dash 0. And what about Laplace of triple derivation of y? It will be s cube y s square y0 sy dash 0 and then y double dash 0. So write all this formula, then I will explain how to apply this. And one more thing, Laplace inverse of y is nothing but y of t. Okay. Now in this part, you will learn how to solve a differential equation using Laplace. Okay. For example, question number one, okay. Let's start question number one. Y double dash t 4yt, y double dash t 4y dash t plus 4y t is equal to 6e minus t. 6e minus t. Y0 is equal to minus 2 and y dash 0 is equal to 8. Understood? So this is the question given and you have to solve this by using Laplace transformation. How will you use? First of all, take Laplace on both sides. Okay. And you know Laplace of y double dash is what? Use this formula. S square y bar minus sy0 minus y dash 0. And what is Laplace of y dash t? Plus 4 y dash t is what? This, use this formula. Sy bar minus y0. And plus 4 Laplace of yt is, right? And you know the Laplace of e raised to minus t is s plus 1. Understood? After this, put the condition. Condition is y0 is equal to minus 2. So put here minus 2. And y dash 0 is equal to 8. This is 8. Right? So you will get plus 2s minus 8. 4sy bar minus 8 minus minus plus 8 plus 4y bar is equal to 6 upon s plus 1. Up to here you understood? Right? Take y bar common. What do you get? S square 4s plus 4. Isn't it? And all the remaining term shift on right side. So what are the remaining term? 6s plus 1. So when you shift this, minus 8 plus 8 cancel, you will get 2s. 2s when you shifted on right side, you will get minus 2s, right? Okay. This is nothing but s plus 2 whole square. Minus 2s. Now see, s plus 1, s plus 2 whole square minus 2s upon s plus 2 whole square. Right? When you simplify this, you will get y bar is equal to s plus 1, s plus 2 whole square. I am taking LCM. Here you will get 6 minus 2s, s plus 1. Right? Yes. Okay, your main purpose is to find y, not y bar. How will you find y? You will find y by using taking inverse on both sides. Okay? Yes. After this, it becomes 2s square minus 2s s plus 1. Okay? Yes. See. Take 2 common. Right. Now your main headache is to find Laplace inverse. Because this is what? Laplace of y. When you take its inverse, you will get original y. Right? After this, what do you do? Take Laplace inverse on both sides. Okay, I do one thing. I am taking this part. No need to simplify. 6 minus 2s square. Okay. Okay, see. Left side you will get yt. And right side, how will you solve? By using partial fraction. Right? I am doing here partial fraction. Okay. A upon s plus 1, b upon s plus 2, c upon s plus 2 whole square. Because whenever power is increases like this, you can write in c upon s plus 2 whole square. You know how to do partial fraction? Okay. So A is multiplied with s plus 2 whole square. B is multiplied with s plus 1 into s plus 2. And C is multiplied with s plus 1 only. Put s is equal to minus 2. When you put, you get 4 minus 2. When you put minus 2, you get 4 plus 4. This is 0, this is 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Minus 2 by 3 is equal to C, right? Put S is equal to minus 1, minus 2, 3 square 9. 2 by 9, right? Now put S is equal to 0. When you put S is equal to 0, you will get 4 2b and c. Put the value of a and b, a and c also. So what is a? Minus 8 by 3. Sorry, 2 by 9. A is 2 by 9. 8 by 9. 2b. C is minus 2 by 3. 2 by 9. Minus 2 by 9. So B will be 26 by 9. Okay. This is B. Now write here Laplace inverse of A is 2 by 9 upon S plus 1. B is 26 by 9 upon S plus 2. And C is minus 2 by 3 S plus 2 whole square. Right? Okay. You know what is the Laplace of this? 2 by 9 e raised to t. What is Laplace of this? E raised to minus 2t. And what is Laplace of the e raised to minus t into t? Understood? This is your final answer. Perfectly. So in this type of question, first take Laplace on both sides. After taking Laplace, simplify everything. Put y bar on left side and remaining thing on right side. After this, what do you do? Take inverse on both sides, right? Yes. Now see, I am doing third question. Third is different. Okay. Y0 is equal to 1. Y dash 0 is equal to 2. Y double dash is equal to. Okay, this you have to solve. Okay, this is for confusion. Here only y dash is given, and here yt is given. So never mind. By default, it is yt. Okay, you cannot say the question is wrong. Question is not wrong. Sometime it is given like this. Okay, what do you do after this? Take Laplace on both sides. Right? And what is Laplace of 0 is 0. Okay. Use that formula. What is Laplace of y cube? 3 times, for 3 time it is s cube y bar, s square y0, s y dash 0, minus y double dash 0. This is first time. S square y bar, s y0, y dash 0. Is equal to 0. Up to here, understood? Put the value. Y0 is 1. This is y0. This is y0 and this is y0. And y dash 0 is 2. Where is y dash 0? This is 2 and this is 2. Y double dash is also 2. Right? So finally you will get 2 into 2, 2s minus 2. Okay. Take y bar common. You will get s cube 2s square minus 2. And rest of the things is taken right side. S square plus 2s plus 2 plus 2s plus 4 and minus 1. Right? Yes. Okay. So simplify this s square 2s is 4s. And this is what? Divide. Okay. Do factor. How will you do factor? See, s square plus 4s plus 5. Right? Take s square common, s plus 2 minus 1 common, s plus 2. So what will you get? S square minus 1, s plus 2. Right? Take Laplace inverse on both sides. S square minus 1 can be written as s minus 1, s plus 1, right? So basically you have three factors. First we find Laplace transform of this. How will you find Laplace transform? You can do partial fraction. First we find what? Partial fraction, right? I write here everything here. S square 4s plus 5. Okay, right? Okay, first we do partial fraction. This is a upon s plus 1, s minus 1. Right? Put s is equal to minus 1. When you put s is equal to minus 1, you will get 1 minus 4 plus 5. This is 0. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 1 0. B is equal to minus 1. Minus 2 4. 1 by 6. Right? 1. 5 by 3. Right? Okay. A is 5 by 3. S minus 1. B is minus 1 upon S plus 1. And C is 1 by 6. S plus 2. Right. And you know what is the Laplace of 1 upon S minus 1? E raised to t. What is the Laplace of S plus 1? E raised to minus 2. What is the Laplace of S plus 2? 1 upon S plus 2? E raised to minus 2. This is your final answer. Understood? This is yes. Laplace of y bar. Y bar means yt. So yt you are getting right? Understood? Yes. Okay. So these are the concepts. Now you tell me out of these question, you can tell me which question we should I solve, and rest of the problem you can solve. Choose any one question. I will explain so that you can clear more easily. Okay. Tell me which question should I solve next. Fourth one. Okay. Fourth is different. Very good. Right. See. Y0 is 1 and y dash 0 is 2. Okay. See the question. Right. We have to find the value of y for this differential equation. Right. Okay. Now the problem is that I already told you Laplace of y bar is y dash is s y bar minus y0. No doubt, no issue, right? Laplace of y double dash t is s square y s y0 y dash 0. Now the problem comes when t comes, right? So you know whenever t is multiplied with ft, what which property is this? Multiplication property. And what is multiplication property? D by ds of Laplace of ft, right? Yesterday I told this. Yes. So only this is the concept, right? Yes. So here t is multiplied. When you take Laplace, opening the bracket y dash t minus 20 y dash t. See, you know t is multiplied here. So what will you do? Minus d by ds of Laplace of y double dash t, right? Laplace of y dash t is s y bar minus y0 using this formula. And this minus 2, here t is multiplied. T is multiplied with minus derivation of Laplace of y dash t, isn't? Minus 2 Laplace of yt is y dash, yt, y bar. Understood? What is the Laplace of second time derivation? S square y bar, right? Sy0 minus y dash plus sy bar. Y0 is 1. So we will put letter plus 2 y dash t is up to here, you understood? Okay. You can put here y0 is equal to 1, y dash 0 is equal to 2. Okay. So derivation of s is this. See, when you do derivation, you will use u into v rule. So u v dash, let's suppose this is dash plus v, s square derivation is 2s and derivation of s is 1, uh, s is 1, this is minus 1. Derivation of 2 is 0 because 2 is constant. Understood? Derivation of this s y bar dash plus y bar, s derivation is 1 and derivation of y0 is 0. Okay? Okay. Now, when you open the bracket, s square y bar dash minus 2s minus minus plus s minus 1, opening the bracket 2s y bar dash plus 2y bar minus 2y bar. So minus you cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Check if anything cancel. Not cancelling, right? Okay. Now you have only s square y bar dash plus 2s y bar dash and then minus s y bar. Understood? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Take y bar dash common, you will get s square minus 2s and shift this on right side, you will get s y bar. Y bar dash, taking s common, you will get s minus 2. S is cancelled from both sides. Understood? Is it clear? Yes. Now you can use variable separable method y bar upon y 1 upon s minus 2. Right? Yes. See, integrate both side by divided by dy. Okay. Now what you get? This is log y bar and this is log s minus 2 plus log c, right? C s minus 2 log cancel. C s minus 2. C is any constant, right? Understood? S minus 2. You can do one thing. Take minus common. You will get s plus 2. Okay, this is minus, right? If this is minus, then you can write c upon s minus 2. C upon s minus 2, right? Now take Laplace inverse on both sides. C is any constant. It becomes yt e raised to 2t. This is your answer. Where c is any constant. Understood? This is the final solution. Any other question do you want to solve? From 17, anyone? Same. Yes, same thing. Here dy dx means what? X dash d. Okay. Okay. Actually 17, 16 are taken in only one variable. In 17, there are two variables. Right? So you tell me which question should I solve? Okay, I tell you 1, 2. Then you define, you can confirm for 3 and 4. Okay? 17, 18, 19. So many questions solved. Okay, only 3%. In 17, dx by dt, 4 divided by dt. See, there are two variables, right? Dx and dy. And it is very easy to solve. Right? This is the condition. X0 and Y0 is same. You know, whenever two simultaneous equations are given, what do you do? Put the value of x in y and put the value of x in z, right? Yes. You can do one thing, what? Let's suppose this is h dash t and this is y dash t and this is y, right? X dash t plus 2y. You can also write 2yt e raised to minus t. Understood? Take Laplace on both sides. Understood? You know what is the Laplace transform of x dash t? Only variable name is changed. All format are same. Laplace transformation of y dash t, right? Okay. And you know x0 and y0 is 0. So this is 0 and this is 0. Understood? Okay. This is your first equation. And from second equation, x is 0. This is y only, simple y, not derivation. So write y1. And what is the Laplace of this? S plus 1. X0 is 0. Right? Understood? Now suppose you have two variable, x bar and y bar. Right? First equation, second equation. From first equation, you have x s x bar. Right? So put here. From first equation in second equation. So you will get 2y bar is equal to 1 upon s plus 1. Isn't? What I did from first equation, I got this part and I put here in second equation. Understood? And I got this, right? After this, you know what you know better what we do? 3y bar plus minus 4 sy bar. So y bar is s plus 3 minus 4s. Understood? First we find y and after finding y we will put here. Okay. Okay. You can also solve for x bar also. Y bar is this. Put y bar s plus 1 3 minus 4s s plus 1 3 minus 4s. One minus 4s, right? 1 minus 4s, right? Okay, now see. Solve separately and find the value of x and y. Right? How? First, I will solve for x bar. And then for y bar, right? Which one is easy to solve? Which can be solved easily? Second one, right? Yes. So first we take what partial fraction. So a upon s plus 1, 3 minus 4s. Put s is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 means 3 plus 4, 7. So a is 1 by 7. Right? Put s is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 means 7 by 4. So b is 4 by 7. Laplace inverse of y bar is equal to Laplace inverse of a plus b. Okay. You will get from here yt 1 by 7. What is the Laplace inverse of this? Right? From here, take minus 4 common. Why are taking minus 4 common? So that you will have s minus 3 by 4. Right? Minus 1 by 7 e raised to 3 by 40. This is your final answer for yt. And similarly for xt, what do you do? First we find partial fraction. Right? Okay. A is multiplied with s plus 1, 3 minus 4s. B is multiplied with s, C is multiplied with s. Okay. So put s is equal to 0. When you put 0, you will get 3a. Put s is equal to minus 1. Minus 5 by 7. Put s is equal to 3 by 4. 1 minus 5. So minus 2. 0, 0. 3 by 4 plus 1. 7 by 4. 7 by 6. 21 by 6. Now Laplace inverse of x bar t is what? A is 1 by 3, B is and C is right. This is 1. This is 5 by 7 e raised to minus t. And what about this? Take minus 4 common, minus minus plus, it becomes 8 by 21 e raised to 3 by 40. Understood? This is your final answer. So in this part, just like simultaneous equation, solve separately x bar and y bar, and then put the value of x bar and y bar by using equation method. Right? Any other question you want to solve? Third one, okay. d square minus 3x. Okay. So, okay, x plus and conditions are given x0, y0, y dash 0, all are 0, right? And one more condition, x0 is equal to 2. Here it is written d is equal to d by dt. This is for confusing part. Don't worry, right? Capital, when you open the bracket, you will get what? D square x minus 3x minus 4y. First, I solve this part, right? D square x means what? X double dash t. Understood? xt 4yt. Take Laplace on both sides. This is y test. Okay, now apply the formula. What is the formula? This is s square x bar minus s x 0 minus x dash 0. Understood? This is simply x. So x bar only. This is simply y bar only. Right? x0 is 0, but h dash is 2. 0 minus 2 minus 3x bar minus 4y bar is equal to 0. Right? So from this equation, yes, from this equation you got what? 4y bar, right? So y bar is upon 4. Understood? From first equation. Similarly, we will solve second equation. What is second equation? X means xt. When you open the bracket d square y means yt, huh? Okay, right? D square means double derivation of yt. Take Laplace on both sides. What is the Laplace of xt? X bar. What is the Laplace of second derivation over? S square y bar minus sy0 y bar. Right? Okay. y0 is 0, y dash is 0. So x bar plus s square y bar plus y bar. Okay. So x bar minus s square y bar. Right? So from these two equations, what you can do? Put the value of y bar here. Right? Yes. From second and first, x bar y bar is right. Understood? Right? You can do one more thing. Put the value of x bar here. Let's suppose 4 is multiplied on both sides. S square x bar is right. Solve separately. First I solve this. Multiply 4 on both sides, 4x bar. Okay. Minus common s cube. Anyhow, you have to find x bar and y bar. Right? It's up to you how you are finding. Is equal to 0. When you open the bracket s cube x bar, 3x square x bar minus 2s. Understood? This is highest power. This is second highest. And then s and rest of the thing you can shift right side. Right? Take x bar common. Understood? Yes. Okay. After this, what will you do? Take Laplace inverse on both sides, right? Check whether this is factor or not. Is factor possible? S cube. S factor is possible because when you put 1, it becomes 0, right? So 1 factor is S minus 1. Divided by S minus 1, you will get, right? And when you factorize again, you will get, right? This is a type irrational root, but you understood the concept. Okay. Can you try this question? Fourth one. Try this question. These are condition x0 and y0. Try this question fourth one. Do fourth one, then I will tell you 18th. 18, 19. You solve this, give me 1 minute. By then I am restarting the system.